kuze kube la sikhona-ke size siyohlula okhethweni sengifuna ukubuyela kule recently raised by ukhombe umdidiyeli ye-GNU noma engayivalanga nje imike ngiyambotha ayivalanga imike ukhomdidiyeli le GNU-ke yokuphathwa inkatha it's one thing that we accept, hence we are not happy about it ngoba sibuka ingozi yokuthi uma ungase uvuke kusasa ekuseni uthi okay roughly eKZN ake sithathe this so called black organization ngicela ukukhuluma ngeKZN specific okwamanje inkatha na yonke lento MK no lokhozana and others ngeke isasiste ngoba kumanje ANC la ikhona nje ibulewe uJacob Zuma ukufaka lento ekuthiwa amaTaliban yathi ingena nje lento yabithi yona izoqasha amabhasi machinery kuye emacaleni kaJacob Zuma wabona ukuthi imnyovu yakhe iyashisa uJacob Zuma waqala ukusibulala iANC eMaritzburg ngokungena nezingane zesikole zase-FET eplaces leMbali wangena nazo kanti uzobulala iconference yethu ezagcina engasaphumanga sekufanele sivote ngaphakathi kwathi kwenziwa ama-head count zalo zifihle kungaboni uboti kodwa iy'number zethu azibhalansi from 900 and something up to 1000 and something yini yenze iconference uZuma waqala leyo nto uZuma wayibulala ensi mase ephuma wangaphuma nemkhovi yakhe ngoba uComrade uSihle I'm sorry to use ngiyaqoza ukusensalela igama lemkhovu oComrade uSihle by then they were happy ngoZuma because uZuma wephusha into yabo mase ngasekho uSihle happy uSihle zikalala happy ngoZuma akasabatshela abantu abanye abaseduze ukuthi no Comrade sengibona ithi khona inkinga lapha let's do that bathola ipower mabethola ipower they've supplied imali kuma comrade athile lawa anamabhizinisi and benza sure ukuthi bayawaplace ezintweni as a result uComrade uMdumseni during itheme yakhe oba unobhala eKZN wathenga ihotela cash kwabe ngathi uzophenywa uya investigatewa kwaphelele emoyeni namhlanje Comrade is running a very good hotel along the sea in Durban Central which I'm not here for that but I'm just doing my submission ukuthi ingozi eKZN ama-faction ayasixova. Come back to a national issue concept here national ukuthi we don't have representation ama-faction the regions that are dividing the KZN yiTheku emva kweTheku bese kuba yiLower South Coast bese kuba yiMoses Mabhida which is PMB and other its relevant sub-regions. Sikhulume indaba ye-CR17 sakwazi kwenziwa ikipa ezazirong ezayibhala u-CR17 siyavuma into ya-PR Ramaphosa yakhulunywa i-KZN sayikhuluma savumelana ngayo mase kuvuka into zo-NDZ and all these other things uZuma wenza ngamabomu wa-create a lot of confusion numbers or something 17 abagcina bevukile ngaleso sikhathi thina njalo makuyokhethwa nationally ithina esidivayideka kuqala sidivaydwa imali hayi ipolitiki lokho kwenza ukuthi kube ne-impact yokuthi njalo ipolitiki yethu ibe cheap ngoba some of you comrade safika eMontrose ngesikhathi esafika ngaso silungisela ukuya conference wabona ukuthi into esesiyikhuluma manje ye-CR17 esiphume yes lungisani uyangiphazamisa so wabona ukuthi mase sifike eMontrose into esiyikhulumayo ye-CR17 ayisekho kwe-view amanye amakhompyutha aseqala into ye-NDZ amabhasi asehlukene asihambi ngokuhlangana ngoba amakhompyutha aseThekwini nawaseMaritzburg nawase-Lower South Coast have changed the position it's only South Coast yayisibambisa into ye-CR17 strongly insajo yokuthi asesashiwa along the way angisazi ukuthi ikuphi kwacaca ukuthi emabhasini manje ngoba sonke sasike emabhasini kwi-conference kwacaca ukuthi ama-comrade awasafuni ukubamba iview masifika lapha we were divided sesishilo bafowethu akubanjwe into kaSenzo just to be a secretary general ngoba part of Gauteng and Limpopo Eastern Cape bayithengile into kaSenzo iyaphila let's make sure ukuthi siphushana so that we can be a part of ilokhuzana top 6 officials sahluleka ngenxa ama division because imali eKZN ihlezi ine impact yokuxova iANC ingakho namhlanje uthi la sikhona I thank you.
Comrade Brutus.
Okay, thanks, comrade. Yeah, I'm not gonna be long. Ne, kukhona le comment iniphazamisayo phezansi ka Ntshontsho. Please don't come with your propaganda that you won't even have a backup here. You understand? Even if Ramaphosa wathenga inkomfa please provide us with credible information. Please don't distract us. You understand? Ramaphosa is our president of the movement. Don't tell us your propaganda. Just go and sleep with it. Let me come to my submission. Guys, the most and the dangerous person or obey distraction, KZN, and to the even the national to the certain provinces, it was umhlekazi lo Jacob Zuma, and thank God ubaba engasekho ku-ANC on that movement that I don't want even to mention. You understand? Because if guys, we're gonna pinpoint fingers the comrades that are coming from KZN. You understand? We are not going to be fair. You understand? Because remember, there are people about very brilliant that we don't have or we don't hear about these scandals that we can prove in the court of law. You understand? In, ter- in terms of Uguti, in terms of Uguti, this one is corrupt. This one is corrupt, but is corrupt in a way Uguti is not in front. You understand? Sikhomba bomdumiseni Ntuli abo Sihlezi Kalala. Those they're coming from provincial leadership. Now they are in national. It's not a child's play, or there's no way a big movement like ANC they will take you from province, and then you come to the parliament, and then they appoint you as a chief whip, which is at least they saw something on you. At least there are certain things that they are happy with you. You understand? In terms of you can be the chief whip of your organization. You understand? I'm not saying those guys are innocent or what, but I'm being careful to accuse the comrades with underground information. You understand? So I'm very careful on that one. And the other thing that I want to mention, you know what? Let us thank these small organization in KZN, the ones that we formed sort of like coalition. Me now, as a personal opinion, I don't have a problem with IFP. He will lead KZN. You understand? At least we are better that we are not in the opposition benches, because I agree with the comrade here that it was going to be worse if Mekusitiwa sizoba opposition benches, because ANC ibizawuye decrease in KZN. Because even on this MK thing, you understand, they are starting to fight with each other. You understand? But time will tell. You understand? So I just wanted to raise those points, guys. We must give credit where is due to these guys that are coming from KZN, abo Senzo Mchunu, abo Sihlezi Kalala, abo Mdumiseni Ntuli, because those guys now they are in a national level. They're coming from KZN, and if you can just look all those guys that are coming from KZN, each of them they were attacked by the people from KZN, because somehow along the way they were sick and tired to support Jacob Zuma. You can start from Senzo Mchunu. Senzo Mchunu, he went to the conference in Nasrec. He was not supporting NTZ. He knows his reasons why he didn't support NTZ. He was supporting Cyril Ramaphosa. Same thing with the Sihlezi Kalala. Sihlezi Kalala, he was fed up. He was attacked. He was ambushed by the Zuma camp while Zuma became ANC. Same thing with Mdumiseni Ntuli. You understand? And this lady also, the one that they appointed, let's forget her name now, but he's on provincial leadership. You understand? So all I'm trying to say, we must be careful to appoint to come with the underground information whereby we cannot even back up in terms of facts. You understand? We must just appreciate the comrades that are coming from KZN that are doing well in national level, because I want to applaud them. You understand? So that's my submission. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thank you, comrades. I think it's my turn now. Hey, comrades, I just want to add on what Comrade Brutus is saying. You know, comrades, especially Maqabane as a KZN, you know, I think you've noticed that Maskale comrade Senzo Mchunu. Ukomrade Senzo Mchunu, I think he was shot by 10 votes. Ubabem Secretary General. And the reason for that is because of comrades Zase KZN, which are divided, because we know the dynamics of politics in KZN. We've got this eThekwini region that feels that it is big and must take all the decisions on behalf of the whole province, working with Lower South Coast and no Herigwala, all those areas. And then we call them comrade Asuanga, Northern KZN, whom are undermined. So it's something that is there, comrades. And then let's go. Comrade Senzo Mchunu. Let's look after comrade Senzo Mchunu. I think basically KZN he tried to destroy. That's how I can put it. Try to destroy comrade Senzo Mchunu, not looking at his capacity, but this person we are Simfoni as a leader because of our own reasons. But this comrade is capable of being a secretary general, which you failed to do that. And then other provinces, Zambon, but no, ngoba thina kwezinye provinces asizazi izinto enithina ngazo kuba kwathengwa amahoteli wathini thina sibona i-capacity of the comrade. So comrade Senzo Mchunu was supported specifically, especially by Eastern Cape, supported, was pushing him, but he failed because of KZN. And then Sibuye, after that, Comrade Senzo Mchunu, just look at his rise in the ANC nationally now, where he is. He's at the top of the party because on a capacity. He's at the top of government because he has got capacity. Then you come to Comrade Mdumiseni Ntuli, whom I think right now is in the caliber, according to me, is in the caliber of Comrade Alfred Nzo. According to me, Ugla level Alfred Nzo, Comrade Mdumiseni, even in his articulation of positions the ANC, and he's not divisive, and he's grounded in the ANC, and he believes in democratic centralism of the ANC. You've never, even though sometimes he has got his own views, but he supports the party and the position of the party. That's the person that was supposed to be the Secretary General. But even then, Amakabane, because at that time we were busy with the issue of Taliban. And my comrade, I don't want us, but we must not lie to each other. We know exactly why comrades Sehle Zikalala and Mdumiseni were removed. We know exactly. Because those comrades, after the ANC took a decision, but we are not going to support Abandu in court, we will never send members there and take buses, for example, of which they complied with that. It was not their decision. It was a decision of the NEC of the ANC. They had to comply, but they were punished for that. And I'm a comrade with ANC KZN tried to destroy them, both of them. But in other provinces, we saw that these people are capable. Because when they were at the helm, ANC was performing, even though there were factions, but under their leadership, ANC was performing well in KZN. We were winning municipalities from IFP. We almost killed IFP because of their leadership. So we saw that they are capable. Then, Comrade Mdumiseni, we are going to a conference. Comrade Mdumiseni is supported by Limpopo, Eastern Cape, Western Cape, Northern Cape, Northwest. But then some of you go and you convince Mpumalanga. Instead of masivotele Mdumiseni, singamane sivotele uMbalula. Lo uMbalula namhlanje nikhala ngaye eningamfuni. You might as well. Umbalula wawina kanjalo. Umbalula lo zanga campaign Umbalula. Umbalula just said the day before the conference, but yeah, you are looking at Unobhala. He was a spokesperson that time. What journalist now unobhala? He did not even campaign, but you voted for him, Umbalula. Now, Dumiseni, after that, because the problem is now with e-comrades as KZN. Once does something, you want to destroy the person. Aninayo la mentality uba no, this comrade wasemfuni thina, but ke let's support him makakhule embuthweni. Nina you want nifuna ayathatha ipension, retire kahle kahle from politics. That's what you want to do. You just destroy. He must retire. And then uComrade Mdumiseni was supported, but he lost because of delegates from KZN. Now, after the conference, that's when the problem started. Because now KZN, you must remember that one, after Gauteng, it has got the second most voters, but in the ANC, it has got the biggest membership. KZN. It's a challenge. If now you're not going to have someone from KZN in the top 7, it's a big challenge, and it's an important part of the ANC voters. That's why now we suffered in KZN, and then we suffered nationally. If maybe it's maintained 40%, 30%, we're going to survive. But now we were destroyed. So now that challenge was caused by I'm a comrade, that I'm going to include you comrades who are here. Nina ma comrade as KZN. Sana no problem, but you do not want to support Comrade Mdumiseni. And then the people on the ground, bazothini about ANC, which means kahle ayifuni abantu base KZN ba lead. Akhona umuntu oyi-1 we top 7. And it's a challenge. Vele it's something that we saw. Nama I saw, but this one is very dangerous. Angeke uthi province efana KZN ingabi namuntu top 7. So that was the challenge. Now, yabona we are conference again in 2027. And Comrade Zweli Mkhize, from what I'm seeing, he wants to be president. And Comrade Zweli Mkhize cannot win. Mna umntu bekumele kahle kahle nina Maqabane, you are pushing now. Mna if I was you. Comrade Nomusa Dube. Eningamfuni naye uComrade Nomusa Dube. Animfuni naye. But that comrade is the one who was supposed to be the chairperson of KZN right now. So if you can support Comrade Nomusa Dube for deputy president, because the ANC needs a woman president. Now, okay, in the next cycle, then she ascends to the position of president. That's what we're supposed to be doing. But now it's not going to happen. Once Comrade Zweli Mkhize comes in at Yena, he wants to be president, you are going to support him, even though that you know that he's going to lose. And if you can support this comrade for deputy president, then you know that at least you've got a position in the top 7. And then in the next, after Pumile, low president, also being president, you know about Comrade Nomusa becomes president. That's what I would do. Thank you.
Ngisacela ukuba difa kuwena kancane mfowethu.